howdy. We're gonna try this trolling motor. I did record that and it's on the trolling motor. Come back here. Everything is connected. Here it goes. So far so good. There you go. Trolling motor is working. Try it on manual and constant. Turned it off. Trolling motor is working. Plug-in's working. That's working. No issues back here with the batteries. That's all being done. We'll go ahead and turn it off. Cool. All right, awesome. That's exciting. Well, see that over there? That right over there? We're about to do that here momentarily. Just wanted to get this in there and try it out, but all right, well, thanks for coming along, and stick around, stay tuned. We'll put those special things on. As always, God bless, tight lines. We are out of here. Deuce.